No, 633.
Don't be digging in the console. Put your hands on the steering wheel. You got your driver's license? Why are you driving so fast?
Just trying to get back on the phone.
Got you at 97. See driver's license. Where's your license at? Whose car is this? Let me see driver's license. Don't ever be digging around in the console the next time you're stopped by law enforcement. We don't know what you're digging around for. Where are you coming from? Clayton, you got your registration with you?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Is it in there? Go ahead and open. Go ahead and open the glove box. What's in there? A gun? What kind of gun is it? Is it yours? All right. Are you allowed to have it? Okay, that's fine. Go ahead and step on out for me. Shut the car off and just step on out. Come on back here for me. Just turn the car off. All right, just step on out and come back here for me. Turn the car off. Are you not going to turn the car off? I already got your license, know who you are, so don't think of doing nothing stupid. And turn the car off, hand me your car key. Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! C223, Raleigh, signal 25, shots fired. US 70 at Dr. Donnie H. Jones Boulevard. US 70 at Dr. Donnie H. Jones Boulevard in Johnston County. Go ahead and get fire and EMS en route, please. Both hands on the wheel!
Grab the top of the steering wheel!
Hey, me and Shane's gonna approach. Me and Shane's gonna advance. Keep your hands on the wheel! Keep your hands on the wheel! Alright, we're good, we're good. Hey! Hey, hold tight what you got. I'm gonna see if I can secure the pistol.
Go ahead, I got it.
Hey, keep both hands. Keep both hands on the wheel. Keep both hands on the wheel, don't move it.
Don't you move!
Do not move. Alright, firearm secure. Hold on, let me grab some gloves.
Keep your hands where we can see them. Clear.
You got gloves? All right. Hey, tell them to go ahead and let EMS come on in. Firearm secure.
My weapon, secure my weapon.
Yeah. He's grabbing some gloves.
What you hit, man? Don't worry about it. We'll get you. You got gloves?
Yeah, he's got gloves.
I got gloves on.
Yes, I've hit him 3 times. He's been hit 3 times.
All right.
Yeah.
Come on, bring him out. Get him on the grass, man. Step out.
Hey, have we told EMS to come on in?
Tell him, come on in. Let's get him the first aid, guys. Come on.
Step out.
Anybody got an extra set of gloves?
Hold on, I'll grab some. Hey, where's your extra gloves at?
Hey, I got some more in my pocket.
Yeah, I just need some extra gloves.